All right, break coders. I think you've probably noticed it already, but on Tuesday, we've changed the display, the outlook of the people section. It's kind of like Notion, but not Notion, because the goal is to still be like a true CRM and not to do like a Notion stuff. But essentially, I guess that's why all the CRMs, like they have this table outlook because it just works super well, right? But essentially, how that works, the first thing that you can notice is that you have much more fields inside the table view of the people section, and so from there everything is customizable. So if I click on display right there, you can see that you can even rename the default name of the fields if you don't like how we name stuff. You can also like organize everything, the order, so everything is customizable, and you can also from there create new attributes or like new fields essentially. So this is very helpful. I don't know if you guys noticed already, but in this update there's actually a new feature that is called last interaction. So right now I have no interaction, unfortunately, because we're finishing the update, but essentially it will tell you like 1 day, 2 days, 7 days, when was the last interaction, whether it's email, LinkedIn, and soon calling, Telegram, etc. And so from there, what you can do is that you can just sort by ascending, descending to see like the most recent interactions you had with leads, etc. And as you can see, like the sorting exists in many different like fields. You can sort many stuff from there. And if we do a quick example, you see you can like add the lead value, you can edit it from there. So let me do it just for fun. So right there. And so if we do like a very, very short example of how you can customize it. So you see, I'm going to type like cold IQ right there. Cool. They have a cool agency. Check this, guys. And so you see here, I don't have the company and they all related inside in the same company. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on display. I'm going to click on like view company, and I'm going to like move company next to tags. And then you see, boom, like I have it there. You can see that, well, on Fivos right there, but actually there's a duplicate. I should remove that. And yeah, I have many duplicates in this demo account. I don't care about them too much. But essentially, you see, I have the company, and then from there, in just one click, I go to the company, and I can get access to like all the posts of these guys and all my different conversation with them, etc. So yeah, pretty neat. And yeah, now let's go back maybe to the screen itself. And yeah, new feature as well. We have this new like unlock lock sidebar. I think people are gonna like it. It's yeah, much better than before. But yeah, that's pretty much the update. To be fair, long story short, so I'm just gonna remove that. I don't care about it that much. But essentially, yeah, that's the update. So a new Outlook, more customization. I hope you guys are gonna like it. Bear in mind that it's essentially the first version. So what the first version means is that it's pretty much bug free. This is good, but the thing is, like, the thing we want to do with this stuff is that you guys can modify it very quickly, and yeah, very quickly. So for example, right now, if I want to change the owner of a lead, I have to click right there and then click on owner and change it. Pretty boring, right? And so except a few things like the status, the tags, the lead value, most of the stuff right there will not be editable from the get-go. So it will just take you to the lead, and then you will have to modify the information. um, but again, like it will come later on. I think it's still like a massive improvement. So hope you guys are gonna like this update. So yeah, new Outlook, new feature with last interaction. Hope you guys are gonna like it. Cheers, bye.